Today's stock market live updates. Nifty may open below 25,030. 300 HSBC downgrade SBI card. Sensex today's stock market live updates. The Nifty is now above 25,300 and expert believe a move toward the 25,500 is very likely to. Today is also the monthly expiry session for the Sensex contracts as well as the leveling of the economic survey. In Parliament, the Nifty Bank reclaiming the 59,500 mark will also place the bulls. Sensex today stock market live updates. The Nifty 50 index is up 300 points in the last two sessions, making a double bottoms of the short on the chart earlier in the week. There has been some progress in the India-US deal talk, according to source which could boost the statements for the bulls. The Nifty is now above 25,300 and the expert believe a moves toward 25,500 is very likely. Today is also the monthly expiry season for the Sensex contracts as well as the tabling of the economic survey. In Parliament, the Nifty Bank reclaiming the 59,500 mark will also place the bulls. The another earnings heavy day and LNT, NSDL, SBI card, coaches, Sapient, GRSC and many others reacted to result. Today, Wild, ITC, IEX, Dekhon, Tex, Adani Power, Concor are only a few among the at least 50 companies reporting their result. Through the course of the day, on also watch for the gold and silver link and names as the really continuous in the precious metal. Brent the crowd is near $69 and racing oil price can also be factor. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो सेंसेक्स जो स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स आप लोगों ने देखा और बाय TPS रेस्ट 24,750 मैनेजमेंट रोड शो की हाईलाइट एंड favorable micro factor healthily remain with the limited supply response. Significant entry varies in complex process material industry. TISA casting the capacity fully commission while metal downstream and capacities are on track and recent contracts and the capacities in the titanium superalloy casting provide good visibility on PTCL and earning growth.